All right, guys, let's take a quick look at the Ringke Dual Easy Film Screen Protector for the Pixel 7a. Looking at the package, this is Ringke Dual Easy Film Screen Protector for the Google Pixel 7a. Flexible material, easy installation, and anti-fingerprint. Along with that, they did send over the camera tempered glass screen protector, so we are going to go ahead and include this in this video. But without further ado, let's go ahead and start with this. Looking at the packaging, you get that lime green color here with the easy installation tool sticker there on the top right corner. Ringke. The installations are on the back of the device, but I've done this plenty of times before. I think I have, where I can go ahead and get around in doing it without the installations. But if I need to, they're on the back of the case I can reference back to. So let's go ahead and remove and see what we all get when we get this. So you do get 2 screen protectors, not just one. You get all the accessories needed for you to go ahead and do the installation. You get the easy installation tool itself, a microfiber cloth, a squeegee, and a cleaning wipe. I would love to see another cleaning wipe because there are 2 screen protectors. Once you use one, what are you gonna do with the other one? You have to install the other one later on. You don't have a cleaning wipe. But without further ado, let's go ahead and grab the Pixel 7a. Let's go ahead and remove this tempered glass screen protector. It was nice while it lasted. You will be missed. Make sure you install the easy tool installation with these points facing up, because that's what's going to hold the screen protector itself. You have the screen protector here. I guess you have to remove the first tab first and then place it like this. That makes no sense. Oh, it does. All right, so we cleaned it, removed the first section with the number 1, and this has a dust removal built-in mechanism. So what you want to do is kind of run your squeegee like this, and what you're going to do is peel back, and then you're going to make sure that blue is off like that, and run your squeegee like so. Bam. Turn it around. Turn around. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Gonna squeegee this thing like this. Remove the easy tool installation, remove the plastic protection, and bam! Look at this bad boy. Looks absolutely fantastic. Now, does the fingerprint reader work? And bam, it works with no issues whatsoever. Look at that. It goes absolutely to the edge, so you are protected to its maximum capabilities. This thing is looking very, very nice. Feels good in hand. Feels good to the touch, I mean. Absolutely fantastic. Now, let's move on forward. Let's move on to the tempered glass here for the back. Now, let's go ahead and grab one of these bad boys. Now, you are going to be given 3 tempered glass screen protectors for the back. A cleaning wipe, which we have one here. Let's go ahead and clean this. You put it on the alignment sticker like so. Kind of come over like this. Put it on there, and voila, bam, you're all set and done. Look at that. Looks absolutely fantastic. Now, I know you're going to say, when the hell are you going to break your camera lens? But you can never be so sure. I did break my camera lens to my Pixel 5 a long time ago, and I was very disappointed, because if I would have had a tempered glass screen protector, I would have avoided it. So there you have it, guys. This is the Dual Easy film from Ringke for your Pixel 7a, along with the camera tempered glass screen protector for your Pixel 7a from Ringke. Absolutely looks fantastic, easy to install. Bam, tempered glass screen protector, case friendly. It is case friendly, works very well with your fingerprint reader. Very nice and responsive, as you can see. Link to all this will be in the description of the video if you want to go ahead and pick one up yourself. You absolutely mostly can. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.